In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get account details on Wise. If you use Wise to receive money, your account details are what you'll share with clients, friends, or platforms so funds land in the right place. Wise creates separate details for each currency you hold, which helps you receive money locally in that currency and often avoid extra fees. So the key is to grab the details from the exact currency balance you want to use. Start on the Wise Home dashboard. This is the main screen where you see your balances laid out by currency. Each tile or row represents a different currency, such as dollars, euros, or pounds, and each one can have its own unique banking details. Select the specific currency you want the account details for. Picking the correct one is important because the information changes depending on the currency. For example, a euro balance may show an IBAN, while a US dollar balance may show an account and routing number. Choosing the right currency now makes sure you share the correct format later. Once you've opened that currency, look right at the top. You'll see the balance amount displayed clearly. Directly below the balance is the section labeled Account Details. This area sits just under the number showing how much you have in that currency. Think of it as the card that holds all the bank-style information you'll need to receive a transfer. Click or tap on the Account Details area to expand it and view everything in full. This reveals the complete set of details for that currency, which can include the account holder name, the account number, sort code or routing number, IBAN, and the BIC or SWIFT code, depending on what's relevant for that currency. You may also see notes indicating whether the details are for local transfers, international transfers, or both. Take a moment to confirm you're still in the correct currency by checking the currency label or symbol at the top. That small check helps prevent mix-ups when you send your details to someone else. That's all there is to it. To recap in one smooth flow, from the home dashboard, choose the currency you're interested in. At the top of that currency's page, find your balance. Just below it, open account details to reveal everything you need. Share those details only with trusted senders, and always double-check the currency before you pass them along. If you manage multiple currencies, repeat the same quick process for each one so you always have the right details ready to go.